Okay guys, so some example on how to create simple blog post and fill it with content in a very quick way. So for this I will use OpenAI ChatGPT as it's a trend this year, and I will use my Quora profile. So in my Quora profile I will assign topics where I feel like expert, or if I want to promote any offer. For example, I will promote my trading account. So I will promote broker where I am registered as affiliate, and if people will click the link, register and start trading, I will keep earning commission from every order what they will open or close on their account. Some brokers also pay commission just for sign up. So very quick way how to make money. So I will first of all I will assign for topics on Quora. Of course, you need to have a registered profile here. You can register it in few minutes. Then you can select spaces and things you know about. So here you can see forex trader, affiliate marketing. So select topics, and after that you will start receiving questions. So I will click on answer questions. Here you can see answer requests, questions for you. Okay, and here we can see that we have some questions here. For example, this question: what is a forex challenge account? Okay, let's click on answer. Let's copy this question. In my blog post I will click new post. So this question will be title for my blog post. So what is forex challenge account? Then I will go to ChatGPT, paste question, and as well we'll before that question I will type such text: please provide answer in HTML format and text should be SEO optimized. Here is the question and my question from Quora. Okay, let's click on green button, and we can see that it starts generating answer and our content. And as you can see, it's using titles, SEO-optimized, and it's really great. So here we need to post. Let's wait while it's generating. We can go to Blogger again, and here we need to select HTML view. So the HTML code we will paste here from ChatGPT. So answer is ready. Let's simply select it, copy and paste. Here we can select compose view now, and here is ready-made text. This ready-made text I will copy and paste in Quora. So looks good, but we can add also some pictures. You know, when people see simple text, not all will start reading, but we can select our question, we paste it in Google, select display results as picture, and we can find some pictures what are related to our team. Okay, for example, this picture looks great. Okay, I will use snapping tool in order to get this picture. Okay, I'll select it, and now I can click copy and paste it here, for example. Okay, so let's select size. I'll put extra large. Okay, and same I will do for Quora. Okay, so for Quora, this topic is ready. If you want, you can try when you're doing such posting. You can also add some links, but you know, Quora moderation system is very strict, and when you create 10 posts, one post should only one post from 10 posts can be one link connected. Then your account is pretty much safe. I'm not usually I'm not adding any links in Quora when answering. I'm just providing many answers. Okay, let's click on post. So here's our post. Okay, looks great. But if you check my Quora profile here, you can see all links. So people, how it works? People see my answer, and if they are interested, they click on my profile, and there are links. So here you can see 3 steps to start your passive income, like open account, passive verification, contact me for receiving robot. So if they click here, they are clicking on my affiliate link. So this post is just for taking attention for people, so they like it, click it, and I'm getting customer. For blogger, we can add banner somewhere here, yeah, and we can also this picture link to affiliate link. So here's affiliate link. I will copy and put it like here. Okay, so let's click on publish, confirm. Okay, so it's ready. Let's refresh our page. So here is yeah. So it's in draft. Wait a second. Yeah, so the problem is I sign up for a different account and it's don't have administration rights but only moderation. So here's how it looks like. I will do some modification later. And this post you can also publish, for example, in your Twitter, like me. See, creating new post, link to it, some hashtags. Also, you can sign up for different Facebook groups and paste this post to such groups as well. And doing things like this, you also driving traffic to your blog post. So in this blog post, all these banner codes, all these images, all is affiliate links, and if people click, you generate commission like this. So this is a simple way on how to drive traffic, also how to generate content. So as you can see, you can generate traffic and content. Content is really quick to generate with help of ChatGPT servers. Okay guys, hope you understand the idea. Subscribe to my channel, and I will publish some more tricks on how to get traffic, sales, and content generation ideas. Have a nice day. Bye.